If you like interesting conundrums, mathematical puzzles, and coincidences, try this one. If you count all the candles we light over the 8 days of Hanukkah, it comes to 36. 1 on the first night, 2 on the second, so together that's 3. On the third night, you'll light another 3, add that to the first 2 nights, that's 6. Now, if you keep going like this until the 8th night, the number you'll get to is 36. Going up every night, adding a light every night is the way Beit Hillel says that we should light in the Gemara. Now, even though we light 1 candle on the first night, just as I said, like Beis Hillel, the opinion of Beis Shammai is that we should actually start in a blaze of glory on the first night with 8 candles and work our way down to 1 on the last night. It says in Parshat Tetzave, this week's Parsha, to light the light continually, light in the singular. Now, stay tuned. If you count backwards from Parshas Bereshis, if you go back 36 Parshiot from the beginning of the Torah, 36, 35, 34, you'll get to Parshat Tetzave, this week's Parsha, in which the Torah, as we said, talks about a lamp in the singular. But if you count forward from Bereshit, from the beginning of the Torah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, adding all the time, the 36th Parsha you'll get to is Parshas Belosecha, where it says where you kindle the lamps in the plural. In other words, if you go back, if you go down, you'll get to this week's Parsha, lamp in the singular, like Beit Shammai. And if you go forward, going up, you'll add up with lamps in the plural, like Beit Hillel.